Welcome to Microsoft Office Specialist Excel. In this video, we'll learn how to insert a picture on a worksheet. To insert a picture on a worksheet, on Insert tab, in Illustrations group, we click Pictures button. In Insert Picture dialog box, we select our file and click Insert button. The picture is inserted. To make the picture updated automatically, in Insert List, we click Link to a file. The picture is linked. If we want the picture manually updated, in Insert List, we click Insert and Link. The picture is inserted and linked. Thanks for watching.